7 Plus. So there is a few features that iPhone 7 provides. We will talk about with all the features, the new features of iPhone 7 Plus. So first, let's talk about the first feature, that is they redesigned the antenna lines. Previously it was just backside of the iPhone. Now it's go above the phone iPhone, so it is bit another types. So the second feature is the new i10 Fusion chip. So second feature is the Fusion chip, that is called A10 Fusion chip. So as per the presentation, it shows it is very high performance. It will give the very high performance compared to the previous generation A9 chipset. This is that Apple is talking about. So we need to check all the reviews that how it performs. There is a rumor going on that A10 Fusion chips is scored 174,000 scored in the Antutu benchmark. So we need to just check the review how it performed. And also iPhone 7 comes with the 3 GB of RAM. This is the third features. It comes with the 3 GB of RAM. I'm not sure about the iPhone 7, but iPhone 7 Plus have 3 GB of RAM. And fourth feature is they improved the battery life. In presentation they said it is they improved nearly 1 to 2 hours battery life, and we don't have any information about how much battery it is, how much mAh battery it is. And let's go to the fifth feature. Fifth feature is the important one that everyone like, that is water and dust resistant. So all the new iPhones, iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus, both are the water and dust resistance. Yes, that is IPv6 67. So yeah, it is not compared to the Note 7 or Galaxy S7 Edge, that is IPv87, IPv87. So this is compared to less. And let's go to the sixth feature, that is stereo speaker that comes with the iPhone 7, that's 2x loud stereo speakers. Let's go to the another feature, that is related to camera. Now they have improved the 12 megapixel sensor with the f1.8 aperture, and it also has the 2x optical zones. So they have two 12 megapixel camera, one for the closer shot, another for the that is far from the mobile. So you can just use the hardware to zoom the zoom on the optics, and you can take the pictures. So this is the 12 megapixel cameras, two 12 megapixel cameras. And if you talking about the front camera, so it is now improved from 5 megapixel to the 7 megapixel. uh, it uh, it also has a f2.2 aperture. So these are the camera features that they improve. So another feature that is they increase the 25% brightness of the screen. They improve their screen brightness and the image, but it also still it has the 101 401 ppi pixel density. So I'm not sure how much it is brightness. So let's go to the another. So there is a no headphone jack. So they come with an earpod with the lightning connector. So you can just connect your phone with the lightning connector. They also provide one connector for your previous headphone jack. So this is it. For the earpod, there is no earphone associated. So for the final, that is the versions. So there is no more 16 GB of version, 16 GB iPhone version. Now it will be starting from the 32 GB version, and it will top go to the 256 GB version that is available. So good, this is the very good decision from the Apple. So these are the all the features for the iPhone 7 Plus.